Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last card using the Fragrant Layers Bundle, and I wanted to really focus on the dies for this card. So I used the single flower and then the three leafed branch, and used the Perennial Lavender paper, and then did so I've got the main die here in a background color, and then the detailed edge die I did, and again, still the Perennial Lavender paper. And then just layered them all up together. But I thought it looked kind of a little bit small. So I've got the two larger dies, this one and this one. Using the same paper, I've cut the background and then the outline, and I'm going to build the card the same way. So this one I did on a crumb cake background. This one I'm going to do on a Highland Heather. I thought about doing it on the Gorgeous Grape, which is more of the color of the detail piece, but I thought I'd keep it lighter and fresher using the Highland Heather. So we're just going to pop this down. This is a 5 1/4 by 4. Again, the Perennial Lavender paper. This is 5 1/4 by about 1 1/4. Just to create that kind of background banner on this side. And then we're going to layer this up. And honestly, I thought about just doing this and then putting the leaves, like tucking the leaves in. And I really quite like that. But I'm going to use the whole thing, and we can decide at the end whether we like it or not. So this is going to go over like this, and I'm going to tuck the leaves in underneath. I did this on adhesive backing so that I can just layer it over top. It just means I need to be really, really careful how I lay this down so that I am even all the way across. There we go. That's not bad. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add adhesive to the back of this. And I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap in some of it just so that I can tuck those leaves underneath. So this is going to go like this, on here like this. And then I'm just going to put adhesive on the leaves and then tuck them in. So, oops, there we go. Come on. I love this Perennial Lavender paper. And I'm so pleased to be able to use it again. So I'm just going to tuck that one in, whoops, like that. And then this one I'm going to tuck over here, like that. And then this one will get tucked in towards the bottom here, like that. And then this is again a piece of the Designer Series paper, and I stamped on it in the Gorgeous Grape. And then we're going to just add some adhesive to the back and pop this down here. Now I thought white, I thought, you know, some crumb cake paper, but I thought using the paper, a piece of the more neutral paper from the set really just blended everything in. And I've got the antique pearls that I'm just going to add a few of them around, and take the medium size ones, just pop them around like this. And then I pop just a small one, or still a medium one, but just a single one down on the Just a Note. So those are our two cards using the dies from the Fragrant Layers set and then to the Just a Note stamp. And you can let me know whether you prefer the smaller flowers or the larger flowers, and let's create together again soon.